Ever wondered how important superfoods are to our diet? These nutrient-rich foods pack a punch, providing us with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're key for maintaining optimal health. And guess what? One of the most powerful superfoods you can easily grow at home are blueberries. Blueberries are not only delicious, but they're also packed with antioxidants and vitamins. These tiny powerhouses of nutrition are a superfood in every sense, offering a myriad of health benefits. Growing your own blueberries can be a fun and rewarding project. Growing blueberries starts with choosing the right variety for your climate. Northern highbush varieties thrive in colder climates, while southern highbush and rabbit eye varieties are better suited for warmer regions. Once you've picked your variety, it's time to prepare the soil. Blueberries prefer well-drained, acidic soil with a pH between 4 and 5. You can test your soil's pH with a kit from your local garden store and adjust it with soil amendments if necessary. Next, plant your blueberries in a sunny spot, allowing about 4 feet of space between each plant. Water them thoroughly after planting and continue to give them 1 to 2 inches of water each week. Mulch around the base of the plants to help retain moisture and control weeds. Remember, blueberries are slow growers, so be patient. Prune them in late winter to encourage new growth and watch for berries to appear in the second year. With proper care, you'll be enjoying your own homegrown blueberries in no time. So, are you ready to start growing your own superfood? Just imagine the delight of plucking fresh, juicy blueberries right from your backyard. It's a simple process, offering immense benefits to your health and the environment. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.